definition sasithi i-chord is a line nanku which is drawn inside the circle. Now uyabona ukuthi kungaphakathi. Kodwa from one point to another point. From one point to another point. Right? And lo line esiubiza ngokuthi i-chord ungaphakathi. Wona ke uba usunqamula i-circle into two parts. Nansi party enye nansi party. Athi yabona? Lama part omabili abizwa ngani ngokuthi kuyenzeka abizwe ngokuthi ama segment. Enye kuyenzeka ibizwe ngokuthi it's a major